Hello, kids. My name is Vipul Mehunkar, and I'm gonna read a story for you. The title of the story is Magic Letter. Author is Akib Zalil, and the illustrator is Shreya Sen. Here we go. Ijaz lives in Haryana, and Vikram lives in Andhra Pradesh. Even though they live so far away from each other, they are best friends. Not long ago, Ijaz and Vikram had been neighbors. The two boys had loved playing cricket, solving riddles, and eating biryani. They had celebrated everything together, from birthdays to festivals. Ijaz had been sad when his best friend moved away, but Vikram's letter always cheered him up. He loved solving the puzzles that Vikram sent. On the day of Eid, an envelope from Vikram arrives. Ijaz opens it and pulls out a card. Eid Mubarak, Ijaz. A surprise awaits you. Read the letter. As Ijaz opens the letter, he wonders what Vikram has sent him. The last time it had been a number puzzle. But wait, the paper is blank. Is this a mistake? Is he supposed to turn the piece of paper into something? Ijaz tries to fold it. Nothing happens. Ijaz holds the paper to the light. He rolls it and looks through it. He runs his finger over the surface of the paper. Nothing happens. Ijaz looks at the card again. That's when he notices the orange and yellow flame on the card. Had Vikram colored it? But wait, Vikram does not like to color. Ijaz rushes to the kitchen. Ammi, I need something hot. Ammi wipes her hand on a towel. The biryani isn't ready, Ijaz. You'll have to wait. I don't want to eat biryani. Ijaz explains that he wants to hear the letter. Ammi helps him light a candle with the flame from the stove. Ijaz takes the paper close to the candle. If you hold the paper too close to the flame, it will burn, Ammi warns. He holds the paper a safe distance from the candle and taps his foot impatiently. What will happen? A few moments later, brown lines appear on the paper as if by magic. Wow! Look at these words, Ammi! Shouts Ijaz. Ammi reads the words out loud along with Ijaz. Where we play with marbles. Ammi is confused by the message, but Ijaz jumps with an excitement. I know where to go, yells Ijaz. He runs down 2 flights of stairs past a parking area and stops in front of a bench, but there is nothing. Ijaz is sad. He was sure that there would be another clue waiting for him. He turns around and gasps, Vikram! What are you doing here? Ijaz can't believe his eyes. This is the best surprise ever. Can't you guess? Says Vikram beaming. I came because I was missing your Ammi's biryani. Ijaz laughs and hugs him. At the exact moment, Ammi calls out to Ijaz, Biryani is ready. Thank you so much.